In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bank transactions in QuickBooks. Before we dive in, ensure you have your QuickBooks account ready and your login details at hand. This process is straightforward and will take us about 5 minutes, so let's get started. First, head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. This is your gateway to accessing all the features QuickBooks Online has to offer. Once you've clicked Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose between different QuickBooks products. For this tutorial, make sure to select QuickBooks Online. It's important to note that the desktop versions might not support the exact same steps we're covering today. Having selected QuickBooks Online, you'll need to enter your login credentials. Carefully type your username and password and then click Continue. This grants you access to your account and the ability to manage your transactions. Now once you're logged in, look for the Transactions section, which you can find in the navigation bar. Clicking on Transactions will open up several options related to your financial data. You're going to specifically select Bank Transactions from this list. This is where you'll see all financial transactions tied to your bank accounts connected with QuickBooks. In the Bank Transactions section, browse through your list of transactions until you locate the one you wish to delete. It's crucial to perform this step patiently to ensure you're managing the correct transaction. Click on the checkbox next to this transaction. This action highlights the transaction for further editing. With the transaction selected, look for the Exclude option located at the top of your screen. A quick click on Exclude and voila, QuickBooks will effectively remove this transaction from your records, ensuring it no longer reflects in your financial data or reports. It's worth mentioning that excluding transactions is a safer way to handle deletions, as QuickBooks will store these excluded transactions separately. This means you can always revisit and recover them if you ever need to, providing peace of mind in your bookkeeping process. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to delete bank transactions in QuickBooks. Remember, careful and accurate bookkeeping is essential for maintaining clean financial records, and QuickBooks provides the tools needed to manage this with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more of our videos for additional QuickBooks tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.